Hello guys, today we are going to discuss Leetcode problem 133, which is clone graph. So in this problem, we are given a reference of a node in a connected undirected graph, which is basically this node. We are given this node. Return a deep copy of the graph. So each node in the graph contains a value, which is this, and list of its neighbors. Okay, so we need to basically return the deep copy or the clone of the graph. We can handle the root case. Suppose if node is null, then we can just simply return null, right? We can maintain a dictionary which maps old nodes to the new nodes which we create, right? And we will use depth first search and traverse the node using the depth first search. So let's create this depth first search function. It takes node. So suppose if node is already present in this dictionary, then we don't need to do any processing. We can simply return what is present in this dictionary, right? But if the node is not present, then let's create a new node. Node.val. Now let's put this new node in this dictionary. Okay. Now let's iterate over the neighbors of the node. Node.neighbors. Okay. Now we have this new node dot neighbors dot append. Basically, we will again using the depth first search on the neighbors of the old node. And at the end, we will return the new node. So this is our depth first search function. Now, if we just call this depth first search function and yeah, I think let's test it out. Some error is happening. Okay. If new node.val. Something, some error is coming out of it. Hmm. Okay. So, by mistake, I have done, instead of is, we need to use in here to check if this node is already present in the dictionary or not. So if this node is present in dictionary, then we just return it. Otherwise, we'll create the new node and of course the neighbors and then do depth first search on the neighbors. So let's test it out and let's see if it is working. So you see it is working and let's submit. Yeah, so this algorithm is working fine. Yeah, so time complexity is order of n and space complexity is also order of n. Thank you.